it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on this product here. So this is the Dermal Therapy Lip Balm in Ultra Moisturizing. It says it has visible results in 1 day, intensive hydration for severely dry and chapped lips. This is a 10-gram container tube, and this retails for $5 or $5.50. I feel like I bought it for $5 and then I feel like it's gone up to $5.50, so around $5.50 in Australia, and I purchased this from Coles. So on the back it says it's a concentrated formula containing a synergenic blend of ingredients designed to soften and hydrate severely dry lips, keeping them smooth and healthy. Directions: apply liberally, I can't speak today, to affected area 3 to 4 times daily or as required. Suitable for adults or children over 3 years old. Store below 30 degrees in a dry place. So I have actually gone through several different lip balms. Now, usually I don't really have an issue with dry lips. However, in winter, I specifically sometimes get really dry lips, and all around my mouth and chin area in particular, I get like literal such dry skin that it like cracks, it bleeds, it hurts. Like, it's such a bad time in my life. So I was going through Coles one day and saw this, and I'm like, I'm gonna try it because results in 1 day stood out to me personally. And I literally have not used another brand since. Now, I've used like the usual Nivea, the Burt's Bees. What else is there? Mario Badescu. I really liked one of his lip glosses at one point. Lano Lips, Paw Ointment, Vaseline. I tried it all, and this is the one thing that I continuously will go back to and recommend. So it's pretty similar to like a Paw Ointment type like look. So I'll just show you what the product looks like. So it's like that thick Vaseline-y type product. It has like a menthol smell to it, which is quite strong. Now I'm just going to come like super close and show you the difference. So as you can see at the moment, I do have quite dry lips, so I'll show you. This is like very up close and personal. So I do put quite a lot on. So it's not instant, but it also doesn't claim to be. So that is what it looks like, and yeah, literally it like works so well. I love putting quite a bit on and then it just soaks in. But 100% if you are in Australia, I'm not sure if this is sold overseas, it's made in Australia, but grab this from Coles. I'm not sure if Woolworths sells it, but this is life changing, literally. So yeah, put this in your basket. If you've tried this, let me know your thoughts. If you try this because of this video, also reach out and let me know. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.